how do we play this game? What we will do is we will close our eyes and imagine that there is a batter holding a bat in baseball. This batter can be our image of ourselves, or it can be our favorite baseball player, or it can be anyone that we like. So try it out for a minute. Just visualize a batter taking guard for playing the next ball which will be thrown at him with a baseball bat in his hand. Yes, this is easy. This much is easy. Yeah. So all of you with me so far, you understood the instruction? Very simple. Just visualize a batsman or a batter who is waiting for the next pitch to be thrown at him. And the visual can be of our own self or of any baseball player that we like or anyone. Yes. Rashmi says, can you repeat please, Mr. Little? Yes. So we will be playing this game today, a series of games today. The first one is the baseball game. Yeah. So what we do is we visualize this batsman who has this baseball bat and he's waiting for the ball to come, for the pitch to come. Yes. So all of you can close your eyes. Very good. Josh is Babe Ruth. Yes, very good. So all of you can close your eyes and visualize this batter. This batter is waiting for the pitcher or the bowler to throw the balls. Now, this batter is going to hit out every thought that comes. The balls that will be thrown to him are these thoughts. And this batter will hit every ball that comes out of the park. So you all ready to play? Before you close your eyes, just say yes and then we'll get started. All of you ready to play this first game? Clear? Yes, yes, okay, yes. Okay, so everyone seems to be clear, so let's start. Visualize a batter who is waiting for the balls to come. These balls are nothing but thoughts. So the batter waits, and when the thought comes, visualize that the batter is whacking it out of the park. If you miss a few, that's perfectly alright, but you will hit most of them out of the park. Wait for any thought to come, and as soon as you recognize a thought, just hit it out of the park. Yes. Very playfully, very gently. Whatever the thought might be, just visualize that it is being hit out of the park. It might be the most glorious thought or the most horrid one. Everything must be hit out. No expectations. All thoughts are allowed to come to get whacked by the batter. Remember that all that the mind is saying is a thought, and you can hit it out of the park. If a thought is coming that enough of this game, then that also can be backed out. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Whenever we feel ready, we can open our eyes.